Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing Glucocyn blood sugar support, a supplement that claims to naturally balance blood sugar levels, but does it really work? Or is it just another overhyped online scam? Let's break it down. Before we start, quick disclaimer, this video is based on research and public information and reflects personal opinion. According to its official website, Glucocyn promises to support healthy glucose metabolism using a blend of natural ingredients. It's marketed as a scientifically proven formula designed for people struggling with blood sugar fluctuations. Sounds promising, right? But here's where things get murky. Glucocyn.com has one of the lowest trust ratings. On Scam Detector, just 6.1 out of 100. That's not a typo. It's flagged as suspicious, young, and untrustworthy. Sites with scores this low often lack transparency. Customer reviews are proven track records. Over on malware tips, experts go further. They warn consumers to avoid Glucocyn entirely. Why? Because it fits the profile of a miracle supplement that's big on bold claims but short on science. He advice is clear. Talk to a doctor, not a marketing page. Also worth noting, there are no verified customer reviews from reputable platforms like Trustpilot or Amazon. That's a red flag in itself. So, does Glucocyn actually work or is it a scam? Here's the final verdict. While the site is full of promising buzzwords and attractive claims, there's zero credible evidence backing it up. And the trust score almost non-existent, combine that with strong warnings from security and health experts. And it's hard to recommend this product when say, skip it. And that's it for today's review. If you've had any experience with Glucocyn or similar supplements, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest breakdowns. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.